Once upon a time, in a kingdom nestled between rolling hills and enchanted forests, there lived a young girl named Rapunzel. She was born with hair as golden as the sun and eyes as green as emeralds. Her parents, the king and queen, adored her, but a terrible curse had been placed upon her when she was just an infant. In the deepest corner of the kingdom, hidden away from prying eyes, there was a tower. This tower stood tall and isolated, its only entrance a small door at the very top. The wicked enchantress, Morgana, had cast a spell on the tower and had taken Rapunzel from her parents when she was a baby, raising her as her own. Morgana feared that Rapunzel's beauty and pure heart would surpass her own. As Rapunzel grew, her hair did too, and it became so long that it cascaded down from the tower, trailing like a river of golden silk. She had never set foot outside the tower, and her only company was Morgana. The enchantress would use Rapunzel's hair to climb up to the tower's entrance, ensuring Rapunzel remained isolated from the world. One day, as the sun bathed the tower in a warm glow, a young prince named Felix was wandering through the forest. He heard a sweet, melodic voice singing from a distance. Following the enchanting sound, he stumbled upon the hidden tower and saw the breathtaking Rapunzel at the window. Entranced by her beauty and captivated by her song, he knew he had to rescue her. Prince Felix tried to climb up Rapunzel's hair just as Morgana had done for years, but he was not as skilled as the enchantress, and Rapunzel had to guide him. After several attempts, he made it to the top, and their eyes met. Love bloomed between them instantly. Together, they devised a plan to escape the tower. Rapunzel used her hair to create a makeshift rope, and with Felix's help, they descended to the ground. They embarked on a journey through the kingdom, discovering its wonders and forging a love that could not be broken. When Morgana discovered Rapunzel missing, her rage was fierce, and she pursued the young lovers. With cunning and courage, they outwitted the enchantress and reached the safety of the castle, where Rapunzel was joyfully reunited with her parents. Their love story became a legend in the kingdom, a tale of bravery and true love triumphing over evil. Rapunzel's golden hair was a reminder of her unique journey and the unbreakable bond she shared with Prince Felix. And they lived happily ever after, in a kingdom where love thrived.